god, it's Disneyland. Disneyland. Whoa. I click your face for it to focus. It's magic, is it not,
Focus.
guys?
Mejor nada más voltea la cámara.
What?
¿No puedes voltear la cámara una vez que está grabando?
Nope. Oh well. See you later. Back. Hello.
Está grabando.
This looks like 3D stuff. 3D.
Okay, ya. I'm getting dizzy.
Oh, we're going that way.
Okay, yeah.
Hello, folks. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're now embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, which stops at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland, followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon
It's so
and
slow.
Primeval World. We got a lot of traveling ahead of us, so remember,
You're gonna
for a
pause.
safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands,